Welcome to Inner Wisdom, a space where we delve deep into the art of self-empowerment, manifestation, and creating the life you've always dreamed of. In this world, where distractions pull us in countless directions, it can be easy to lose sight of our true potential. Here at Inner Wisdom, we believe in guiding you back to your center, helping you tap into your innermost desires, and showing you how to turn your visions into reality. Today's topic is one that has the power to change the course of your life: how to create a vision board that actually works. We've all heard about vision boards, and maybe you've tried creating one yourself. But what happens when your dreams don't manifest the way you'd hoped? What if there's a better way to approach this powerful tool, one that actually makes your dreams feel within reach? In this video, we'll explore the true potential of vision boards. This isn't about simply pasting a few pictures of what you want into your life. No, today we're diving into a process that's far deeper than that. You'll learn how to craft a vision board that's personal, powerful, and purposeful, one that will serve as a visual representation of your highest goals and desires. It will act as a constant source of motivation, inspiration, and most importantly, alignment with your goals. So take a deep breath and settle in, because today's journey will be an enlightening one. Let's begin the process of creating a vision board that not only inspires but also transforms your life. Have you ever felt the frustration of setting goals and not seeing them materialize? You're not alone. Many people create vision boards, only to find that the goals on them never come to fruition. But here's the thing, a vision board isn't just a collection of images. It's a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. When used correctly, it can be a life-changing experience. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a vision board that actually works. A vision board that will not only inspire you, but will help you visualize and manifest your dreams into reality. This process isn't about randomly pinning pretty pictures to a board. It's about crafting a strategic visual roadmap for your future. The first step in creating a vision board that works is clarity. You need to know exactly what you want to manifest. If you're unsure about your goals, your vision board will lack focus and direction. Take a moment to sit down and reflect on the areas of your life that matter most to you. Is it health, career, relationships, finances, or personal growth? Write down your goals in each area and be as specific as possible. The clearer you are, the more likely your vision board will serve its purpose. For example, instead of just saying, "I want to be successful," be more specific. "I want to start a profitable online business that brings in $10,000 per month by the end of this year." Next, it's time to gather the images. You want to choose visuals that resonate with your goals. These images should evoke strong emotions and a sense of excitement. Don't just settle for random pictures. Each image you pick should speak to your soul and fuel your ambition. The key here is emotion. A vision board is not just a collection of photos, it's a visual representation of your desires. If a picture doesn't make you feel something deep inside, don't include it. You want images that ignite your passion and make you feel motivated to take action. Now, let's talk about energy. Your vision board should not just be a passive decoration in your home. It should be a source of positive energy. The energy you bring into the process is crucial. When selecting your images, always focus on positivity. Choose images that represent abundance, joy, and success. This is not the time to focus on fear or scarcity. The more positively you think about your goals, the more likely they are to manifest. Let go of any doubts or negativity. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality, so fill your board with optimism and excitement. One of the biggest mistakes people make with vision boards is creating one that doesn't truly reflect their personality and desires. It's essential that your vision board is a reflection of you. If you want to be surrounded by vibrant, colorful images, choose bright and bold pictures. If you prefer minimalism, choose images with clean, simple lines. Make sure your vision board represents your unique dreams. This is your vision, not anyone else's. The more personal it feels to you, the more powerful the energy it will carry. Creating the vision board is only half the battle. Now it's time to engage in daily visualization. Visualization is the key to making your dreams a reality. Spend a few minutes each day standing in front of your vision board and imagining yourself living the life you desire. As you visualize, feel the emotions that come with achieving your goals. See yourself succeeding, see yourself happy, and see yourself living the life you've always wanted. The more vividly you can imagine this, the more you align yourself with the reality you wish to create. Affirmations are a powerful tool to amplify the energy of your vision board. Write down positive statements that support your goals, such as, "I am worthy of success," "I am attracting abundance," or "I am capable of achieving my dreams." Place these affirmations around your vision board, or say them aloud every morning and night. Affirmations reinforce your belief in your dreams and help align your thoughts with your goals. This will enhance the power of your vision board. A vision board is a tool for inspiration, but it's not magic. It won't work unless you take inspired action. Look at your vision board every day and think about what steps you can take to move closer to your goals. These actions don't have to be huge. They can be small, everyday steps that move you in the right direction. Remember, you're co-creating your future with the universe. Your vision board shows you the path, but you have to walk it. Every little step you take brings you closer to making your dreams a reality. Sometimes, the universe has surprises in store for us that we didn't expect. Stay open to opportunities, even if they come in ways you didn't imagine. Your vision board will help guide you, but always remain flexible and willing to adapt to new possibilities. Trust that everything is happening for your highest good. Your vision board is a living, evolving tool. As you achieve your goals and evolve, update your board to reflect your new desires. You may find that your goals change, or you achieve things you never thought possible. Keep your vision board fresh and aligned with your current goals. Creating a vision board that actually works is a process of self-discovery, intention, and action. With the right mindset and the commitment to your goals, your vision board can become a powerful tool in manifesting the life you desire. Visualize your future, take inspired action, and trust in your ability to turn your dreams into reality. Remember, your dreams are within reach. All you need is a clear vision, unwavering belief, and the courage to take action. Now, go ahead and create the vision board that will help you transform your life. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of manifestation and empowerment. I hope you feel inspired and ready to create your own vision board. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of inner wisdom. Let's continue to grow together. Until next time, stay empowered and keep manifesting your dreams. Take care and see you in the next video.